Here's the GoPro Hero 4K, the mini GoPro 2024 model. I'm going to show you how to format an SD card. Okay, so first thing, you have your SD card in there, and then you want to go ahead and format. Just remember, with a format, you're erasing everything on the SD card. Okay, if anything's important on there, make sure you back it up. Okay, anyway, let's go ahead and format this SD card. Just go ahead and turn your camera on, and then you want to go ahead and slide down from the top, slide down, and then from here we want to look for preferences. Okay, if it's not here, you can swipe to the left or you can swipe to the right. I see preferences right down here. Let me tap on that. From here, I'm going to scroll all the way down to the very bottom where it says reset. Let's tap on reset. That first one up there says format SD card. Let's go ahead and format it. Tap on that right there. Delete the files and reformat your SD card. I'm going to tap on format, and voila, we are done. There we go.